Okay, the next problem here says 75% of the 300 comic books in a collection are anime. How many comic books are anime? So what we want to know, just like we talked about before with the students in the choir, 75% doesn't just mean 75 out of 100. It's 75 out of every 100. So one way of looking at this is just like an equivalent fraction. 75% would mean 75 out of 100, but how many out of 300? Okay? That's one way of looking at it, but that's not the way we're going to focus on today, okay? We're going to look at our model and our strip diagram here. Okay, so if I had 0% here, 0% of the books would be 0 books. Now, 100% would be all the books. How many comic books are there? 300. Now, we want to know 75% of 300. So if I think about my benchmarks, well, 50% is half, right? So what's half of 300? Well, that would be 150. Okay, now 75% is a multiple of 25, right? I could count by 25s, 25, 50, 75. So if I think about my 25% right there, okay, well, that's half of 50. So what's half of 150? What's half of that number over there? So 75 is half of 150. So if I go up 75 more from here, over here to 25%. So basically this means that every 25% is going to be 75 books. So I'm going to add 75. So 150 plus 75 is going to be 225 books. Okay, anime books. Okay. All right, so that's how we're using our benchmarks here to find 75% of a number.